Hello friends, welcome back to the TheCraftyB channel. Thank you for being here. I'm glad to have you back. So today's tutorial, I'm going to be teaching you a perfect way of cutting a Queen Anne neckline. So if this is what you would like to learn, please stay tuned. Stay tuned to the end of the video so that you learn much. So without wasting much of your time, let's go straight into the video. So I've cut down our basic front bodice pattern, and it's half scale bodice pattern. You can join it to a skirt to make a dress. You can add peplum to make a blouse. But we are going to talk mainly on the neckline. From now on, I'll be teaching you more about necklines and some tips. Let's get right into the video. So to cut this neckline, you already mark your shoulder line, your armhole, and you cut down your basic bodice pattern. So for this Queen Anne neckline, on this neck, I'll be marking 3 inches for the neck width. So with the help of my tape, I'm marking 3 inches. And then for the neck depth, you can go deep as you wish. But I'm going to go for 7 inches for the neck depth. So to create the Queen Anne neckline, I'll go back to the folded edge and mark down 4.5 inches. On this 4.5 inches I marked down, I'm going to draw a straight line like so. So after marking all these points and line, you go to your shoulder length here, and whatever you have here, you divide it by 2. So I have 5.75 divided by 2. It's about 2.8 or 2.9. So I'm marking 2.9 here. So this is all what we have. So the next thing to do now is to connect the points from the neckline here to this 2.9. And then you curve it to the 7 inches down. You use your straight ruler to mark from here to this side. Then from this point, I'm going to connect it to this 7 inches. So let me use my curved ruler to do that. You can extend it straight, or you can use your curved ruler. So guys, this is it. Our Queen Anne neckline is ready. The next thing is to cut it out. So this is our neckline. Let me open it to see how it looks. You see how beautiful our Queen Anne neckline looks? So beautiful. So guys, we have come to the end of today's video. If you find this video useful and helpful, don't forget to give it a huge thumbs up, share my videos to your family and friends, and also comment for YouTube to recommend me to grow my channel. Thank you for watching. See you in my next video. Bye.